Hey students, I'm going to quickly show you how to use the Ohio Air practice test website. So I know a lot of you want to practice before you take the test, which is coming up right after spring break. So we'll do a little bit of that in class, but this also is a way that you can prepare on your own if you would like to. Now you will be provided with a link to access the practice website, the practice test website on your learning plan, and that link will also be available in Buzz. So once you click on that link, you're going to be taken to the sign-in page right here, and it says guest user, and that's correct. You don't want to change anything. You want to click this green sign-in button down here because you are going to sign in as a guest user. Once you click sign in, you're not ready to start yet. So the next thing you're going to do is select your grade level. So I'm going to select grade 7. And you see a whole bunch of tests here, but you want to take the one at the top left corner. It says Start G7 English Language Arts Practice Test, Opportunity 1 of 3. And when you click on that, you're going to see all the test tools like the highlighter and the clock. You want to keep those all the same. Don't change anything. So at the bottom, click the Select button, and then click the green Begin Test Now button as well. Then you're going to see the very first part of the test, which is a passage. It says Passage 1, A Pilgrim on the Silk Road. Now you're going to do just the first part of the test, which is the first 9 questions. You're not going to go past that. And these first 9 questions are actually about 2 passages, Passage 1 and Passage 2. So to go through the passages, what you're going to do is at the bottom here, you have an arrow that'll allow you to scroll through the passage. There's passage 2. You can also click the little book icon to make the passages go over the entire screen, and then click the book with the X to make it go back to one side. I personally like to have the passage on one side and the questions on the other side, so I can look at both at the same time, but it's up to you. Take some time playing with the tools. You can highlight by highlighting with your cursor, and then up here, click Highlight Section. So if you're like, ooh, that's a good quote, you can highlight it. Over here, you've got some tools like a line reader that will show you what line you're reading during that time. You can also click Notes and take notes as you read, and these notes will be saved throughout the whole test. All right, so once you've read both Passage 1 and Passage 2, you're going to want to click through these multiple choice questions here, and this is just practice for you guys. So again, just practice questions 1 through 9 to get a feel for what the questions are like, and then again, play around with the tools so you're used to using them. If you need any help, ask your language arts teacher. Good luck as you guys practice this test.